Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. BBSM in tatters. Members hint at supporting another front. Many unhappy with the current response of the Manch. Uday Bhembre says all is well. Court wraps SP crime in Kankon building collapse case. SP assures speedy probe. Court seeks report by 14 Feb. The deadly truth of new morgue at GMC. No fans, water, air conditioner. Bodies decompose after door sensor fails. Bodies back to old morgue. Primary Health Centre, New Market and bus stand for Walpai cars on 14th Feb. GSIDC to take up Keri Terek Hall Bridge. Flyovers and grade separator at Dabuli. Deputy CM urges need to eliminate corruption to make Goa industry friendly. Says more industries can solve unemployment problem. And El Shaddai's Goa Marathon on Sunday to raise money for homes. Dempo football star Beto supports cause to bring joy to underprivileged. Now the news in detail. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is a divided house. The rift between government supporters and MOI decision opponents is now wide open. Following this groupism, many members have decided to opt another route. Father Mauzino Athaid has also lost hopes and is on the way to opt for different route. Prashant Naik is also planning to support the group formed by youth. But Uday Bhembre says these all are rumours.
Father Mauzino Athaid has confirmed that few of their members supporting the government were not in favour of an agitation.
तुमकां दिसता पर्रीकारान थाराव घेतला पळय तो RSS कडेन विचार नासतना म्हाका जाल्यार दिसना म्हणटून ह्या उपरांत ते आनी खंयचे आंदोलन करतले उतरांनी गमता दुसऱ्यांनी वागणुकेन गमता उतरांनी सांगूंक तांकां पुटोवचें ना पूण वागणुकी तांकां आंदोलन बी कांय नाका कित्याक आंदोलन कोणाचेर करतले तांचो सरकार जर तर आतां फाल्यां गोंय राखण मंच आनी तर सुरू केलें आंदोलन हांव थिंचोर वेतलो यारांचेर सांगिना थिंचोर वेतलो आंदोलन बेगीन करपाचें रोखडेंच तर BBSMन खरेंच केलें सो समजुया केलें फाल्यां हांव थिंचोरूय वेतलो.
Former President of Konkani Bhasha Mandal Prashant Naik is upset with the stand of BBSM. He is ready to support the group formed by youngsters.
हाजे पयले जेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकारान जेन्ना इंग्लीश प्राथमीक विद्यालयांक ग्रांट अनुदान दिवपाचो जेन्ना निर्णय घेतिल्लो तेन्ना आमी ताबडतोब आंदोलनाक सुरवात केल्ली. सो म्हाका दिसतालें निदान आतां एक दोन तरी कार्यक्रम ताबडतोब हातांत घेवपा जाय आशिल्ले. खंयचीय गजाल कितें हुनार हुनासतना केली जर जायत जाल्यार तें कितें अर्थ उरता जावं कितें तातूंतल्यान निष्पन्न जाता. मिटिंगच जाला 15 दिसांनी आनी 15 दिसांनी 1 म्हयन्यान आमी ताजेर निर्णय घेतले म्हळ्यार तेदो पर्यंत लोकांच्या मनांतल्यानय बी तो विशय मातसो बाजू वता. इनफॅक्ट कांय सदस्यांनी ते प्रखरपणान मांडलें की बाबा आमी अशे तरेचें धोरण घेवया म्हण आमी चक्का जाम करया म्हण आमी आनी कसली तरी निदर्शनां करया बी म्हण पूण हें कांय जाल्ली दिसूं येना. पूण आमी आंदोलन करपाचीच जेन्ना तयारी दाखयना तातूंतलो कांय जाणां दिसता की आमच्यो बऱ्योच मागणी मान्य जाला म्हण. आतां हांव बी पळयता की तरणाटी पिळगी गेले की गेट वेल सून केल्ले तांणी एक आतां नवो ग्रूप केला तांचे तर्फे तरी कितें तरी आतां रोखडेंच कितें तरी जातलें. एक म्हळ्यार BBSM ही म्हळ्यार कोणाली प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी न्ही म्हणटा म्हाका दिसता की अजून पर्यंत भारतीय भाशा सुरक्षा मंचाच्या नेतृत्वा सकल मुखार आंदोलन करपाचें जेंका येवपा आसा तांकां येवं दी हें नासतना तेंची तुमी आयले तुमकां बरोबर घेवन तुमी आयले ना तुमच्या शिवाय हें आंदोलन मुखार व्हरपाक जाता.
Advocate Uday Bhembre says BBSM has not reached up to the stage of deciding the modes of agitation. Hence, question of division in the Manch doesn't arise.
अशे तरेची एक वावडी उठल्या पूण तशें म्हणपाक म्हाका तरी कसलेंच कारण दिसना कित्याक त्या तरेचो विशय आमचे मदीं चर्चेक आयलोच ना. फुडें वतले तेन्ना कोण बरोबर आसतले कोण बरोबर आसचे ना हें फुडें कितें करया म्हणून ठरयतले तेन्ना क्लियर जातलें. आज कळना कित्याक तो विशय आमी हातांत घेतलो ना.
समज सरकार आयकना जाल्यार आमी आंदोलन करतलेच.
सरकारान आयकलें ना जाल्यार आमचो विरोध हो चालू उरतलोच. आतां त्या विरोधाचें स्वरूप कशें आसतलें तें सांगूं जायना आज, तें मागीर ठरतलें.
Prudent tried to contact RSS leaders Subhash Velinkar and Ratnakar Lele, who are also the members of the BBSM and supporting government MOI decision, but both were not available for comments till late on Friday evening. Sources claim that the meeting on Wednesday even debated dissolution of the Manch, but decided against it. With Mayur Naik, video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
The Sessions Court wrapped the SP of Crime Branch on Friday. The judge was furious after the Special Public Prosecutor and the intervention petitioner pointed out the slow pace of investigation in the building collapse case. SP Kartik Kashyap says he will arrest culprits only when is necessary. The SP of Crime Branch has been asked to present status of the probe on 14th with an action taken report.
The SP of Crime Branch Kartik Kashyap was summoned by Honorable Sessions Court Madgaon on Friday. SP has given an undertaking of speedy investigation of the case. Special PP informed more.
The SP of Crime Branch, Mr. Kartik Kashyap, was present to the court. He was questioned about the laxity in investigation. Though it was brought to his attention that I had given clear instructions to the police to arrest the absconding accused and the chief officers, he was of the opinion that it is the right of the investigating officer to decide. And at that particular time, it was brought to his attention that the court as well as the Honorable High Court had clearly expressed its views on the role of the chief officers and the municipal employees. So therefore he has now given an undertaking to the court that the investigation will be expeditious. They are going to appoint another investigating officer, another PI in the matter so that the investigation progresses fairly. We have to wait and see what investigation is going to be conducted now in view of the undertaking given to the court.
Even after High Court having clearly pointed out irregularities in the licensing and legal procedure of the construction of Ruby Residency, the SP Crime says he will take a call on arrest. The reply of SP Crime Branch has left legal men handling the case dumbstruck for now. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
It's shocking and horrific. Dead bodies are decomposing in the new state-of-the-art morgue at GMC. New morgue was ill-equipped, but government went ahead and inaugurated it on 19 December. The haste boom raged and new government pressed the panic button. Sources claim that it will take at least another 6 months for the new morgue to be fully equipped and operational. For time being, all the bodies are back to the old morgue.
Is it government's lethargy, a hasteful act, or a rush to claim the credit of development? The new state-of-the-art morgue at GMC has brought shame for the government. It was opened on 19 December, despite being ill-equipped. The most basic but vital facilities for forensic and post-mortem aren't existing at the new morgue. Government state of affairs has not spared even the dead ones. The pathetic affairs in health department got exposed after dead bodies started decomposing in the new morgue. This new morgue has cost government almost 20 crores. Government has pressed the panic button now. Administration has flung in action, but only to cover up their goof-ups. The new morgue lacks exhaust and water pipeline. It is being laid now. Air conditioners were installed, but the units are being installed now. The sensors of doors at new morgue were not functioning properly. They were being repaired on Friday. Even the fans were not fitted. It is difficult to understand as to why government opted inaugurating such incomplete unit. There is no answer to it. The new state-of-the-art morgue is constructed after spending fortunes. It is difficult to say how far advanced are the facilities at morgue. Decomposing bodies in the unit has exposed the lethargy of health department. The body decomposed after the sensors failed to function properly. The day bodies decomposed, none was there for inspections. Now authorities have decided to conduct morgue inspections every 12 hours. The upgradation of new morgue is ongoing on a war footing from Friday. The bodies have been shifted to old morgue at present. Just 4 days back, body of a youth from Mercedes got decomposed. Now authorities at new morgue are running helter-skelter to put the things in place and save their skin.
About accident जावन भायर पडलेलो ताका मागीर आमी GMCन मॉर्गान वता तेन्ना न्यू मॉर्गान घातलेलो मॉर्चुरीन आनी तेजो भाव त्याच दिसा गेलोलो ताका येवपाक जाय म्हूण आमी ती बॉडी दवरलेली तो दुसरे दिसा येयले तेन्ना बॉडी आमी हाडूंक गेले तेन्ना तेजी बॉडी फूल हें आसलेली डिकम्पोज कशी.
हें आमच्या भावाक घडलां तें फुडें जावचें न्हू आनी गव्हर्मेंटान हेजेर इश्यू करून कितें मॉर्ग तेंचें सारकें चलना तें तेणी सामकें करचें.
Dinesh Karpe with Omkar Frari for Prudent.
Congress Legislative Party members met on Friday. CLP discussed deteriorating scene of industries in Goa and pressed that government should come out with a policy for growth. CLP also discussed about Lok Sabha poll and its candidates. Party members say candidates are not finalized as contenders list is too long. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.